Friends, we now come to the second speaker of the prepared speeches round, and our second speaker for the prepared speeches round is Hemraj. Hemraj is working with Indian Express, and now I would like to invite Hemraj to please deliver the speech. All the best, Hemraj.
Hi friends, my name is Hemraj Jakad. I work with Indian Express. Not as a journalist, I work in HR department, and I take care of compensation and for Pan India for them. And today I am going to deliver my first speech, and my coach for this module is Deepak. And my first speech is about my experience, my journey, which I'll narrate through some of my experiences which I'll share here. Today I am doing something which I hate the most, giving speeches. I hate giving speeches, and I love listening to speeches. I can listen speeches 2 hours, even for days. This fear of giving speeches I developed in last 4-5 years, since I started working. You know, I still remember in my school days, I used to be an extrovert kid. It was like there were no Hemraj in the group, there was no fun. And whenever there was no teacher in the class, so I used to entertain my classmates by cracking jokes, telling them stories, jumping here and there, running around. So I had that spark in me. I had that charisma to hold the entire class on their chairs. And I'll share another example, another incident I remember. And once a new school principal joined, and on every day in morning assembly, she used to tell us 2 words for student success. And it was the Independence Day function. She came on stage and asked, "My dear students, tell me the 2 words I tell you almost every day." But there was no answer from the crowd. There were pin drop silence for 20 seconds. And I stood up and said it was hard work and discipline. I got special prize for that. And it was not about, only I remember those words. It was about courage to speak. In college also, I was an extrovert and fun-loving crazy guy. I tell you how much crazy I was. It was a college trip to Mussoorie, and we were around 20 friends along with 2 professors. And we took our music system with us. So, before that, I hadn't danced. And in moving bus, we started dancing. And around 1 hour, 2 hours, they got exhausted and stopped dancing. And there was one guy, he was still dancing. Can you imagine, the guy was dancing without music? And on that, one of the professors said, this is called self-motivation. When you are motivated from inside, you do not need an external trigger to do things. And the guy was Hemraj. Sometimes I feel I'm losing very important skill, which is essential not in professional but in personal life. That is, I've remembered many incidences in corporate meetings, in personal interactions with friends. I had an excellent idea, but I couldn't share with them. I had that fear. I don't know what fear is that, but I had that. So in the month of January in this year, I was reading an article about goal setting. So I thought, let's do something for me. What is the goal setting? So I, created my goal to be an effective speaker and extrovert again in this year by December 2014. So I have joined ISF. So there is a great saying: the good start is half done. The good start is half done. So half is done, as I have presented my speech here. Thank you for listening to my speech.
Can we have a round of applause for Hemraj? And yes, questions for Hemraj.
Don't dance thing.
No demos, only questions. Yes.
A
apart from dancing without music, what all crazy stuff have you done in your life?
I done without dance on track. I do not need a ear.
So he does running without music.
Yeah. I observe things and track while running.
Any other question?
Can I ask?
Yeah, of course, of
Okay.
course.
So, what changed for you when you started working? Though you were an extrovert in school and everything, and you had a lot of fun in college, then was it that you were not comfortable with your work, or and you can choose like not to answer if it's a little personal and if you don't want to share. But what really impacted you to not be yourself? And then you came back. It's very good. But what impacted you to not be yourself and cocoon yourself?
Initially, after joining corporate, I was as confident as I was in college and school. But gradually, after 2-3 years, I became ambivert. I started doing essential conversations only. Then 3-4 years gone, then I became introvert. I don't know what was that, but I stopped talking. So that happened.
Understand?
Friends, as they say,